Hi, this is David Morris with imini Today is December 14th, 2010. We had a nice one and done trade today. Quick day. It was actually a high probability setup. Well, actually, it wasn't at first. Let me talk about it here. Over here is our long-term chart. And I put these on a lot of videos where basically how the long-term chart works is if there's a short signal on the long term and there's the signal bar and there's two bars to follow, we don't take any long trades. Simply here, if there's a long trade, we don't take any short trades. Well, what I did is I grabbed a short EET, okay, and definitely had 4 ticks. But the long term had gone short, so I wrote it down for even more. So it ended up being a really nice trade. This is a normal EET that turned into a high probability trade that was definitely good for a 2-point run. And then there's a long EET here that failed, but this is an avoided EET. Why? It's a long trade and we're in the 3 bars of the short signal from the long-term filter. So we avoid that trade and we simply take that one. So it's a nice one and done. Let me pause for one more second and show you our normal NSE chart and show you what that did today. Okay, we're back. Now, if you were trading just off the normal chart, trading NSEs, like some of my students simply wait for no zone to take that first trade out of no zone, it was a longer day. We're still seeing some pretty slow action, right? It's Christmas time, volume slowing down, right? It's just been slow. It technically usually gets slow this time of year, but it still doesn't mean we can't trade. So we are in no zone till, well, we had a report around 10 o'clock. Here's a report. Market launched up. We had a nice pullback trade, which some guys grabbed because the report was positive. So some guys grabbed the pullback trade, made a one and done there, or they may have grabbed the EET and made 2 points, right? I typically avoid these trades. Now, I was already done, but just want to carry on here. I would avoid this trade. Not that I don't want to go with the trend, but I know that the NSE that follows is a high probability trade. Sometimes you can grab them both, right? You could take the long pullback, you would have made money, and then you could wait for the short NSE, which doesn't happen till almost 11 o'clock in the morning. And here it is. We finally get a short NSE, and it goes against us a few ticks, then finally ends up going down and making the nice one and done. So if you're just trading NSEs, waiting out of no zone, which some students do, still a one and done day, just about an hour and a half day. If you were taking the first DET, you either had a one and done 4 ticks or possibly 7 or 8 ticks because of that long-term filter. So pretty quick day, pretty good day, and I'd like to invite everybody to Thursday night's webinar. It's at 4:30. If you don't have the link, email myself or Al at al@iminitradingstrategies.com, or I'm David at iminitradingstrategies.com, and we'll send you the registration link. Thanks for watching.